So guys, what is up? Today I am doing an ASL video. If you guys don't know what ASL is, then where have you been? Because this has been a continuing series. This is this is episode 2. I'm talking to Aaron. And today I'm going to show you basically how you can start a conversation and stuff. So I have to pull stuff up on the computer real quick and I'll be right back. So let's do that. Okay guys, so the first one I have, which you don't see, is how do you say mom? I'm sure you guys have all been wondering that. And how you say mom is just put your finger or your thumb up to your forehead. And then you pull down.
How do you do that? Do this?
Mom. I think that's right. I'm not sure. But then dad is actually the other way. Yeah, so mom's here. Hold on guys, I don't know what's gonna happen. So hold on. Mom in sign language. Mom is this, I was right. And then dad. Dad is up right here. And then you come up. I'm gonna sneeze. Which leads me to my next one. How do you say bless you? Bless you. Okay, so it's telling me to spell it. So here. I pledge. So take your pledge. Allegiance to I can't read half of it, but I want to know how to say bless you.
Just call my iPad quick.
Okay. Let me pause the video. Here goes. I'll be right back in just a minute. So I didn't find the actual bless you, but I did find the way you can spell it out. So bless. Wait, no. This is that way. SS and U. So bless you isn't spelling it out, but no bless you that I want. So guess what? I'm gonna show you another one, which I think I showed you in this last video. I'm not sure, but thank you. So pretty simple. Just put your whole hand. Thank you. And I know I told you this one bad, good, or whatever, other way around, but when I say this, okay. Aaron, I'm not showing this in the video, but do you know what this means in sign language?
Yeah.
I'm not putting that up in the video, though. Not happening. Alright. This is multiple things, but in the case they're using it for is I love you. So I'm going to end the episode here for now because I have to eat. So I'm doing this in the middle of my recording. So we'll see you guys a little bit. Bye. Peace out for now. We're back into another video. I don't want to say it like that. But I'm going to show you how to do something. I found out one. So I don't really get it. But there's also another way to say, there's a way to say love.
Okay, I know Wi-Fi wasn't working for a minute. The Wi-Fi was off.
This hippie is a jerk. No, I'm totally kidding. I love her, guys. But anyways. Afraid. Like you shake. I guess you shake your chest. I guess. Angry. Love. Sad. All done. So I have to get it for this one. You go like this. All done. More. Sorry. Stop. Water. And please. So, oh, sorry is like this. Sorry is like this, I guess. And then please, like that. So, I saw a little bit of it, partially. So, I'll be back and let me see whatever. Alright guys, the next sign is okay. So if you guys knew that one, just comment down below. And now, I want you guys to try to subscribe. I'm going to give you, let's say 5 seconds. So, subscribe and hit the bell. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now if you did that in 5 seconds, make sure you like and tell me. Just do hashtag GamerChase, and hopefully you guys did it. Mr. Wright. He's like, I'm the champion.
We are champions.
I know. Start singing, we are the champions. Okay, you know, guys, what sign keeps coming up is the one sign that I don't want to do because it's stupid and I don't care. Yay, my besties. We're crazy. We're just crazy people. We are the crazy people. Oh, guys, don't worry. I did come up with that good idea. So, I did talk to Katie, and we are going to be making a new intro finally. In a little bit. So, while I'm looking for this, I'll tell you. Oh, do you guys know what gun means? Gun. There's gun. But, anyways, I'm just going to end the episode here because I need to get another video done because, of course, this is a day late, so I have to get it up. But anyways, that means bye. Peace, yo. And we'll see you later on the next adventure of Gamer Chase. Bye. Peace. Bye.